Hi guys! So I'm going to show you in this video how I got this pearl chrome effect using just Margot from Revel. I'm going to show you actually two different, so you can compare the two. I'm going to do one pass of chroming with Margot, and then I'll show you the pearl effect with doing it twice. So just so you have the comparison so you can see the difference. So the first part is the same as your regular process for dipping. There's not really any difference for the first couple steps. So you're just going to apply your dip base coat in a nice thin layer. And then you're just going to dip it in like you normally would. This color is beautiful, by the way. So you're gonna do a second dip, just like you would normally. Same thing, we're gonna do a second coat. Using my dip liquids, the dip base coat, dipping into Margot. So we're done with our dip base coat. We're just going to brush off the extra. And then we're going to activate. You don't have to cap and clear, there's no need for that. So we're just gonna activate these and let them dry for 2 minutes, just like you always would when you're dipping like regular. So then the 2 minutes is up, we're just gonna file and buff like normal. Okay, that's done, so we're just gonna brush them off. Okay, so this is where the tack-free gel top coat comes into play here, and this is Revel's. You're going to apply a layer of the gel top coat. And you will need a nail lamp for this. You can see mine right next to me on my right. So you're gonna cure. Mine is for 5 seconds. It depends on your nail lamp individually, so mine's about 5 seconds. And then you're gonna dip it right back into Margot. And then you're just gonna rub it. Give it a nice rub with your finger, or you can do an eyeshadow applicator. So I'm gonna dust this off and I'll show you how this looks. So I just took it out of the nail lamp, and this is really pretty. So since I'm just doing this one, this is for comparison of just one pass at the chroming, I'm gonna top coat this one, and we'll use this for comparison for the next one where I do the chroming twice. So you apply the gel top coat one more time. You'll do a nice thin layer. Okay, so this one's finished. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see this one. So that's the chrome effect of just doing the chroming one time. So we'll have that for comparison. So it's not quite the same. It's not pearly. So this one, we're gonna do gel top coat again. cure it. Mine's for 5 seconds. So we're gonna dip, and then you're gonna rub it with your finger again. So again, this is 1 pass at chroming. And then I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds in my nail lamp. Okay, so that was 1 pass. So we're gonna do this 1 more time. And this is where it's gonna show the difference here. So top coat again. We're gonna cure for like 5 seconds. Then we're gonna dip it back into Margot. And then you're gonna vigorously rub it. Just takes a little bit more pressure with your finger or your eyeshadow applicator to get that pearl chrome look. So now we can brush this off. And this is what we've got. And then we're going to cure this for 30 seconds. Okay, so that's done. So even just without top coating, you can see a difference between the two. So the right is where we just did the 1 pass at chroming, and the one on the left here is the one I just finished, that I just pulled out. I haven't top coated it yet, but I'm just showing you, just even right now you can tell a difference. So I'm gonna top coat this one and finish it up. So it's really cool. You can get 3 looks out of this dip powder, which is so cool. You can wear it as its beautiful shimmer that it is with the regular dip powder method, using your regular dip system, or you can chrome it once, like how I did with this one, or you can chrome it twice and get a totally different pearl chrome look. We're gonna cure for 60 seconds. So this is the finished look when we chrome it twice. And that's how I did these press-ons. So you can tell you get like that same effect, which is really cool. So I hope this was helpful. So thanks for watching.